Hey everybody, Kurt Molly here. I'm here in Chicago. Just got done wrapping up my 3-day event. Amazing event here where there are people from all walks of life, from all over the world. I appreciate that. I talk about the belt method. We talk about scaling ads, but let's just go right to it. What was your ad experience before you came here?
I've been running ads for a little over a year now, and I was getting frustrated. I was at the point where I was ready to just throw them away and figure out something else.
So, what a couple of ahas you had here.
Some of my biggest ahas was that I was literally throwing away money. I was literally able to run ads with $1, but I had been running ads with 50, 80, and I was throwing away money.
So, question for you. If someone's sitting on the other side, they're watching this video, they've obviously seen me a bunch or whatever. My propaganda's strong. That's what we joke about all weekend long when people just have a face. But now it comes time for a decision for people to make. They're literally sitting in a chair saying, wait a minute, should I do this? There's a bunch of money to come out and do this. Do I invest in myself? What do you tell someone who's about ready to make that decision?
It's time to just do it. Invest in yourself, because that is the only way you're going to get to the next level in your business.
True. I will see you guys on the other side. Make sure you join the both of us. Awesome.